Welcome to Ben Num Design.
Introduction to Computer. Storage and Types of Storage Devices. Part 7. Storage. Process of storing information in computer is called storage. The devices used to store data are called storage devices. Advantages of storages. Information at different places can be saved in computer and can be reused when needed. Types of storage devices: 1. Primary storage devices. 2. Secondary storage devices. 1. Primary storage devices. Storage devices which are installed at the motherboard are called primary storage device. It is also called memory. Types of primary storage. There are 2 types of primary storage devices. 1. ROM. 2. RAM. ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. It is a storage device from which only stored information can be read. It can be modified, deleted, or removed. It is like something written on stone that cannot be removed or changed once written. It is permanent storage device and data remains safe on ROM even when computer is off. It contains information related to computer startup process which is written at the time of memory manufacturing. Computer cannot start without ROM. RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. It is like something written on sand which is temporary and would be erased. It is temporary memory, also called volatile memory. RAM stores information which is currently processed by computer. When power off, it loses all the information. Data can be read, stored, modified, or deleted from the RAM. Size of storage. For example, Pakistan is consisting of 8 bytes. Byte is small unit. 1024 bytes equals 1 kilobyte, KB. 1024 kilobytes equals 1 megabyte, MB. 1024 megabyte equals 1 gigabyte, GB. Thank you for watching.